Well, my wife and I have been toying it over for a couple of years, and it was time. Our deck was 40 years old.
Hey, Rosie.
And it was starting to fall apart. Had to replace board after board, and we just decided it was time to do one. We had 3 or 4 different estimates, and we had one last year by them, and they were by far the lowest price. And we had one this year by Perry, and it was cheaper than anyone else around, so we decided to go with them, and they were highly recommended to us by one of our neighbors in Martin. Boy, I tell you, I got nothing but good to say about that crew. Brandon, Nick, Nate, Noah were here on time every single day that they could possibly be here, and very professional, knew exactly what they had to do. At the end of the day, cleaned up after themselves, which is a biggie for us, and they just did it very, very good every day. The beginning with Perry, that man knows what he's doing. He will give you anything that you want in a deck. That part went very well. The estimate came to us in a timely manner, so we chose them. And then after they started the whole thing from start to finish in 2 weeks, 49-foot deck isn't an easy task, but they did it in 2 weeks, and the structure that they did was phenomenal. The deck before that we had would kind of wiggle when you walked on it. This doesn't move at all. And when they put it all together, it's very, very strong and very sturdy. What do we like most about it? The composite decking that they put on, which we chose, but they put that on, and the way that they put the composite decking on, the railings are outstanding. They before we couldn't look out to see our backyard very well because of the structure of the other deck, but now with these black spindles, you can they kind of like almost disappear when you're looking out. So we love the railings. We love how they made the railings, and the whole thing is just outstanding. I can only say good about Property Revolution. I'm telling you, I would highly recommend them to anybody, and I have already. And people, we had 6 neighbors drop by a couple days ago. Let's see your new deck. They said, wow. And they said, we might consider having one put on our house now too. And I said, well, Property Revolutions is the way to go.